This is the home of my dreams. Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Dubizzle in the House. Today we are in the Address Boulevard residences to show you a stunning 2-bedroom apartment. We're going to start off in the living room, which is one of my favorite rooms here because it's been fully upgraded to feature this beautiful furniture you see here. What's great about this cozy space is that you have the kitchen right here, which is easily accessible. It comes fully equipped with all the appliances, the fridge, the microwave, and even the dishes and plates. So all this is included in the price of the property. This property has 2 bedrooms. Right now we're in the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a spacious place with this huge bed that you can relax on. Now the property spans just over 1,450 square foot, which gives you a lot of space for the value of the property. The built-in wardrobes within the bedrooms are very spacious. So you have these units here as well as a few over there. So plenty of space to fit in. Along with the built-in wardrobes in the bedrooms, you also get ensuite bathrooms that feature the stunning marble top finishing that give it that luxury and chic look. Right now we're in the second bedroom, which again has the spacious built-in wardrobes as well as the ensuite bathrooms. You get these stunning views from the balcony, which is in the master bedroom as well as the hall. Since you're located in downtown Dubai, you get easy access to the rest of the city since this is the center of Dubai. Do you know why I said this is the apartment of my dreams? Well, for 4.8 million, you get a fully serviced apartment. The property is listed for sale by Imperial Capital Real Estate on dubizzle property, so make sure to check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We've got many more videos coming up, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.